Sometimes life gets heavy. Too many scars, too many silent battles. But no matter how dark the night becomes, there's always a reason to keep fighting. This song is for every broken soul still trying to survive. Presented by Tigre J Music. Late at night, di makatulog. Heavy heart, parang nalulunod. Smiling face, pero may tinatagong pain. Trying hard just to smile again. Sa dami ng taong dumadaan, nobody sees what I really am. Every scar and every cry, still I fight, still alive. And kahit malamig ang gabi, di susuko, I still believe. Broken roads and promises, mga sugat na di makalimot sa kahapon. But every pain made me strong, it taught my heart where I belong. Ngayon di na ako takot, every fall made me grow. There's a reason I'm alive, and I won't give up this fight. And kahit malamig ang gabi, di susuko, I still believe. I'm too young to die, marami pa akong pangarap sa buhay. Too much fire deep inside, I was born to survive. Kahit sabihin ng world na goodbye, I will spread my wings and fly. Sa dilim, hahanapin ang light. I'm too young to die. No more fear inside my soul, di na hahayang mawala ng control. I can hear tomorrow call my name, and I know I'll rise again. I'm too young to die, now I'm stronger deep inside. Every wound became my guide, helping me survive. And kahit mawala ang liwanag, ako mismo ang magiging ilaw. Through the pain, I'll still survive. I'm too young to die, too young to fade away. Masyado pa akong bata, too